Introducing the AFPAK RN1S, the ultimate coffee capsule filling and sealing machine. Easy to operate, the RN1S features a user-friendly touchscreen interface that guides you through each step of the process. The RN1S uses a state-of-the-art vibration plate to separate and sort empty Dolce Gusto capsules. This ensures efficient capsule utilization and minimizes waste. The RN1S features an advanced automatic capsule placement system, which feeds capsules into the machine with precision and speed. Before filling, the machine detects and places each capsule correctly, ensuring that every cup is filled accurately and consistently. The RN1S then fills each capsule with precision using our patented screw cylinder technology. This ensures that every cup has the perfect amount of coffee. After filling, the machine cleans the capsule edges to remove any excess coffee powder. Designed specifically for the Dolce Gusto system, this machine ensures efficient and precise production of filled capsules. With just a few clicks, you can set up and customize your production parameters. The RN1S also processes the internal pouch membrane, stretching, cutting, and heat sealing it to ensure a tight seal. This guarantees that each capsule is airtight and ready for consumption. Additionally, the machine processes the external sealing membrane, stretching, cutting, and sealing it to create a strong and durable seal. A third heat seal is applied for added security. And that's it. The AFPAK RN1S has successfully filled and sealed your Dolce Gusto capsules. The finished products are now ready for packaging, distribution, and consumption.